Good evening, one and all. Today is auspicious Panchami day, Thursday of the Margasirsha Masa. So, this Margasirsha Masa is the month of Gita Jayanti. Today, the Panchami is called Vivaha Panchami. In the Nepal, celebrated this as the marriage anniversary day of Rama and Sita. But being this being the Gita Jayanti month, just want to read through the Upakramanika, the preface for the Sankara Bhashyam on Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The Sanskrit, and I'll try to give my best translation into English. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Narayana Parovyakta Dandamavyakta Sambhavam Andasyantas Tvime Lokaha Saptadvipacha Medini. So, Narayana Paro Avyakta. Narayana is superior, supreme to Avyakta, or the Mula Prakruti, from which Andam Avyakta Sambhavam, the cosmic egg, originates in this Andam Avyakta Sambhavam, in the Avyakta, or the Mula Prakruti. Andasyantas Tvime Lokaha, in that Andam, in that cosmic egg, all these worlds, Ime Lokaha, Saptadvipacha Medini, along with this 7-continented earth. So, we bow down to that Narayana. Narayana is the Nara Ayana. So, for all these Naras, the final Ayanam, the final reaching point is Narayana. So, Sa Bhagavan, such God, Sa Bhagavan Sruštvedam Jagattasya Chastitim Chikirshuhu Marityadin Agre Sruštva Prajapatim Pravrutti Dharmam Grahyamasa Vedoktam Tato Anyanscha Sanaka Sanandanadin Utpadya Nivrutti Dharmam Jnana Vairagya Grahayamasa. So such great Lord, Sa Bhagavan, Surštvedam, having created, having got out Jagat, Tasyatyas, Titim Chikirshuhu, to maintain it, Marityadin Agre Sruštva, having created Marichis with the different radiating powers, life forces, Marityadin Agre Sruštva, Prajapatin also created these Prajapatis, Pravrutti Dharmam, the dharmam which takes forward away from the source by differentiating pravrutti lakshanam dharmam, grahayamasa vedoktam, as told in the Vedas, grahayamasa being made understood. Tato anyanscha sanaka sanandanadin, sanaka sanandana sanatana sanat kumara, the 4 eternal boys, and their sannyasis by the birth. Utpadya, Nivrutti Lakshanam Dharmam, Jnana Vairagya Lakshanam, so which is having of the wisdom, Jnana and Vairagya, dispassion and wisdom together, qualified by those qualities, Lakshanam Dharmam Grahayamasa. So he made people understand the Jnana Vairagya Lakshanam. Dvividho hi Vedokto Dharmaha. So Vedokta Dharma is of 2 types. Pravrutti Lakshanaha, Nivrutti Lakshanascha. Jagatah Sthiti Karanam, Praninam Sakshad Abhyudaya Nisreyasa Hetuhu, Yassa Dharmo Brahmanatyai Varnibhihi Asramibhischa Sreyordhibhihi Anushthiyamanaha, Dirghena Kalena Anushtatrunam Kamodbhavat Hiyamana Viveka Vijnana Hetukena Adharmena Abhibhuyamane Dharme Pravardhamane cha adharme jagatah sthitim paripalayishu sa adikarta narayanakhyaha vishnuhu bhaumasya brahmanaha ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣತ್ವಸ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣಾರ್ಥಂ ದೇವಕ್ಯಾಂ ವಸುದೇವಾತ್ ಅಂಶೇನ ಕಿಲ ಸಂಬಭೂವ. ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣತ್ವಸ್ಯ ಹಿ ರಕ್ಷಣೇನ ರಕ್ಷಿತಃ ಸ್ಯಾದ್ ವೈದಿಕಃ ಧರ್ಮಃ ತದಧೀನತ್ವಾತ್ ವರ್ಣಾಶ್ರಮ ಭೇದಾನಾಂ. ಸೊ ದ್ವಿವಿಧೋ ಹಿ ವೇದೋಕ್ತೋ ಧರ್ಮಃ. The Vedokta dharma is of two types, pravrutti lakshanah, the differentiating, taking forward dharma, and nivrutti lakshanascha, which taking back to the source, which the dharma which is taking back to the source, the integrating, taking back to the source, nivrutti lakshanah dharma. Jagatah sthiti karanam, to maintain this world, praninam sakshadabhyudayartham, to uplift the beings from one stage to the other, bringing them up, uplifting them. Nisreyasa hetuhu, finally taking them back as well. Nisreyasa hetuhu. Yassa dharmo brahmanatyai varnibhihi. So this dharma is of 4 varnas, ashramibhischa, 4 ashramas. So it is 4 into 4, 16 different distinctions. Shreyorthibhihi, to give their ultimate shreyas, the prosperity to them. Anushtiyamanaha, so the dharma need to be practiced for the prosperity or upliftment of all these 16 combinations of varnashramas. Dirghena kalena anushtatrunan kamodbhavat, in the longer periods of time the people's desires will kamodbhavat hiyamana viveka vijnana hetukena. So over the period of the time, viveka and vijnana will slowly diminish. Adharmena abhibhuyamane dharme, so the dharma will be covered by the dharma slowly because of the desire. Pravardhamane cha adharme, so the adharma will increase. Jagatah sthiti parayahishu sa adikarta, so who has to maintain this, the world, which is the adikarta, Narayanaha. Vishnu bhaumasya brahmanaha, the people who are desirous of knowing the supreme reality living on this earth, bhaumasya brahmanaha, brahmanatvasya rakshanartham, to protect such people. Devakyam vasudevat amsena, for Devaki, in the amsa of Vasudeva, kila sambhabhuvaha, appeared as if taking a body as Krishna. Brahmanatvasya hi rakshanena rakshitasyat vaidika dharmaha. So the Vaidika dharma will be protected by protecting the wisdom. Brahmanatvasya rakshanaha. Brahmanatvasya rakshanaha, people who were willing to get the wisdom of Brahma. Brahmanatvasya rakshanaha rakshitasyat vaidika dharma tadadhinatvat varnasrama bhedanam. So the varnasrama bhedas are created for the step-by-step improvement, prosperity of the people, to go through those steps and improve their dharma anushtatna. Sacha Bhagavan Gnanaisvarya Sekti Balavirya Tejobhihi Sada Sampannaha Trigunatmikanam Vaishnavim Swam Mayam Mula Prakrutim Vasikrutya Ajaha Avyayaha Bhutanam Iswaraha Nitya Suddha Buddha Mukta Swabhavopi San Swamayaya Dehavaniva Jata Evacha Lokanugraham Kurvaniva Lakshyate. So the God, the Bhagavan, Jnana Aishwarya Sekti Bala Virya Tejobhihi Sada Sampannaha. Jnana Aishwarya Sekti Bala Virya Tejaha, all these qualities of the God, and Sada Sampannaha, ever filled, ever containing all these qualities. Trigunatmikanam Vaishnavim Swam Mayam, so which controls the 3 modes of materialistic nature, Sattva Rajas Tamo Gunas, Mayam Mula Prakrutim, of that primordial nature. Mula Prakrutim Vasikrutya Ajaha Avyayaha, it is completely under his control. Even then, Ajaha, never born, Avyayaha, never diminishing. Bhutanam Iswaraha, he is the Lord of all these bhutas. Nitya Suddha Buddha Mukta Swabhavopi San, always Suddha, pure, Buddha, conscious, intellectual, never loses his intellect. Mukta Swabhavo is always liberated. Api San, even though he has been all these things, Swamayaya Dehavaniva Jata Yevacha, on his own volition, on his own Maya, Swamayaya Jatavan, Iva Cha Lokanugraham Kurvanneha Lakshate. So to give the anugraham, grace, compassion to the Loka anugraham Kurvanneha Lakshate. स्वप्रयोजनाभावेपि भूतानुजिघृक्ष्णया वैदिकं हि धर्मद्वयम् अर्जुनाय शोकमोहादधौ निमग्नायोपदिदेशः गुणाधिकैः गृहीत अनुष्ठीयमानस्य धर्मः प्रचयं गमिष्यमितीति तं धर्मं भगवता यथोपदिष्टं वेदव्यासः सर्वज्ञः भगवान् गीताख्यै सप्तभिः श्लोकशतैः उपनिबबन्धः तदिदं गीताशास्त्रं समस्त वेदार्थसारसंग्रहभूतं दुर्विज्ञेयार्थं तदार्थाविष्करणाय अनेकैः विवृतपदपदार्थवाक्यार्थान्यायनमपि अत्यन्तविरुद्धानेकार्थत्वेन लौकिकैः गुरुह्यमाणम् उपलभ्यः अहं विवेकतः अर्थनिर्धारणार्थं संक्षेपतः विवरणं करिष्यामि. So यथोपदिष्टं, so for the sake of Arjunaya Soka Mohadathau Nimagnayo. So Arjuna, who has entered into the Soka Moha Dadhau. So Soka, sorrow, Moha, delusion, Dadhi, Samudra. Nimagnaya, who has entered such a delusory, sorrowful state, to pull him up from there. Gunadhikaihi gruhitaha anuishtiyamanaschah dharmam. Prachayam gamishyamityiti tandharmam bhagavata yadopadishtam Vedavyasaha. So the two types of dharma, following the duties, giving up the duties to come back, following the duties to go forward, pravrutti lakshanam dharmam, giving up the duties to come back to the source. Both types of dharma has been instructed to the Arjuna. Bhagavan Vedavyasaha Yudhopadishtam Vedavyasaha Sarvajnaha Bhagavan Gitaakhyai Saptabhihi Slokasataihi Upanipapantha. So such an instruction which has been given by the Lord Narayana to Arjuna to uplift him from the Soka Moha Dadhi, the great ocean of sorrow and delusion, that has been documented by the Sarvajnaha Vedavyasaha, the Guru. Guru Purnima we celebrate for the Guru. Gitaakhyai Saptabhi Slokasataihi 700 slokas. Saptabhi slokas is Upanipatha. Tadidam Gita Shastram Samasta Veda Vedartha Sara Sangraha Bhutam. So this Gita Shastram, which is the essence of Samasta Vedartha Sara Sangraha Bhutam, Durvijneyartham. So it is difficult to understand. Tadartha Vishkaranahaya. So there are several people who tried Anekaihi Vivruta Padapadartha Vakyartha Nyayamapi. So several scholars tried to give meanings. Anekai Vivruta Pada Padartha Vakyartha Nyayamapi. Padartha Vakyartha. Meaning of words, meaning of sentences, meaning of final meaning. By the Nyaya, applying the Nyayas. Atyanta Viruddhanekardhatvena. So it has gone into the several different types of meanings people have told for this. Laukikai Gruhyamanam Upalabhya. So for the normal Loka people to understand these multiple contradictory statements, Aham Vivekataha Artha Nirtharanartham. With the discrimination, Vivekataha Artha Nirtharanartham Samkshepataha Vivaranam Karishyami. So I am trying to give a small meaningful, bring it into one meaningful understanding of this 700 slokas. I am trying to give a vivarana. Tasyasya Gita Shastrasya Sankshepataha Prayojanam Param Nisreyasam Sahetukasya Samsarasya Atyanto Paramalakshanam. So Tasyasya, so for this Gita Shastra, Sankshepataha, in a very brief, Prayojanam, the meaning, the purpose of this Gita Shastram is Param Nisreyasam, giving moksha. ಸಹೇತುಕಸ್ಯ ಸಂಸಾರಸ್ಯ ಅತ್ಯಂತೋಪರಮಲಕ್ಷಣಂ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್, ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಂಸಾರ, ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್. ತಚ್ಚ ಸರ್ವಕರಣ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಪೂರ್ವಕಾತ್ ಆತ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನನಿಷ್ಠಾರೂಪಾತ್ ಧರ್ಮಾತ್ ಭವತಿ. ಧರ್ಮಾತ್ ಭವತಿ ತಸ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಟು ಡೂ ದಟ್, ಸರ್ವಕರ್ಮ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಪೂರ್ವಕಾತ್, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕರ್ಮಾಸ್, ಸರ್ವಕರ್ಮ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಪೂರ್ವಕಾತ್ ಆತ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನನಿಷ್ಠಾರೂಪಾತ್, ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆತ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನ, ಧರ್ಮಾತ್ ಭವತಿ. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಧರ್ಮ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ತಥಾ ಇಮಮೇವ ಗೀತಾರ್ಧಧರ್ಮಂ ಉದ್ದೇಶ್ಯ ಭಗವತೇನೈವ ಉಕ್ತಂ ಸ ಹಿ ಧರ್ಮಃ ಸುಪರ್ಯಾಪ್ತೋ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಃ ಪದವೇದನೆ ನೈವ ಧರ್ಮೀ ನ ಚಾಧರ್ಮೀ ನ ಚೈವ ಹಿ ಶುಭಾಶುಭಿ ಯಃ ಸ್ಯಾದ ಕಾನನೇ ಲೀನಃ ತೂಷ್ಣೀಂ ಕಿಂಚಿದಚಿಂತಯನ್ ಇತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಲಕ್ಷಣಂ ಇತಿ ಚ ಇಹ ಅಪಿ ಚ ಅಂತೆ ಉಕ್ತಂ ಅರ್ಜುನಾಯ ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮಾನ್ ಪರಿತ್ಯಜ್ಯ ಮಾಮೇಕಂ ಶರಣಂ ವ್ರಜ. So there are several quotes Shankara Bhagavad gives from various places in Mahabharata and from Gita itself. Gita 18th chapter 66th sloka, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Saranam Vraja. So that is the supporting statement to say that the final goal of Gita Shastram is to give the Nisreyasam. That is the final goal. Abhyurdhayardhopi yah pravrutti lakshano dharma. So we are not removing the pravrutti lakshana dharma. So we are not saying remove the dharma or don't follow any work for everyone. Varnasramamschodisya vihitaha sa devadhisthana prapti heturapi san ishwararpana buddhya anushthiyamanaha ಸತ್ವಶುದ್ಧಯೇ ಭವತಿ ಫಲಾಭಿಸಂಧಿರಹಿತಃ ಶುದ್ಧ ಸತ್ವಸ್ಯ ಚ ಜ್ಞಾನನಿಷ್ಠಾ ಯೋಗ್ಯತಾ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಿದ್ವಾರೇಣ ಜ್ಞಾನೋತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಹೇತುತ್ವೇನ ಚ ನಿಶ್ರೇಯಸ ಹೇತುತ್ವಮಪಿ ಪ್ರತಿಪದ್ಯತೆ. ತಥಾ ಚ ಇಮಮೇವ ಅರ್ಥಂ ಅಭಿಸಂಧಾಯ ವಕ್ಷ್ಯತಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಾಧಾಯ ಕರ್ಮಾಣಿ ಯೋಗಿನಃ ಕರ್ಮ ಕುರ್ವಂತಿ ಸಂಗಂ ತ್ಯಕ್ತ್ವಾತ್ಮಶುದ್ಧಯೇ ಇತಿ. So now Bhagavad is stating Abhyudayardhopi yah pravrutti lakshano dharma. So pravrutti lakshanam dharmam, everybody is prescribed. Varnashrama dharmas need to be followed. Vihitaha saha devadhisthana praptira heturapi san ishwararpana buddhya. So everyone has to perform their duties, giving them as the Ishwararpana, as a worship of Lord, giving up the fruits at the lotus feet of the Lord. Ishwararpana buddhya anushthiyamanaha sattva suddhaye. By doing that, the sattva, the existence of the being will be purified. Sattva suddhaye bhavati phalabhisandhirayita suddha sattvascha jnananishtha yogyata praptidvarena. So by doing that, a person will be purified to and becomes suitable for jnana nishtha prapti. So to get into the nivrutti lakshana, jnanotpatti hetutvena cha nisreyasa hetutvam-api. So the purifying the self, purifying the soul will lead to the purification of jnana nishtha yogyata prapti, then jnanotpatti. By that wisdom will be originate, will come, or wisdom will reflect, wisdom will realization will dawn in the person. So nisreyasa hetutvam pratipadyate. Tadha cha imameva artham. That's why in the Gita Shastra there are various places in the 5th chapter, brahmanyadhaya karmani, do all your actions by Ishwararpana, putting in the Ishwara. Yoginah karma kurvanti sangam tyaktvatma suddhaye. So yogis perform their duties, karma kurvanti sangam tyaktva, giving up the attachment to them, atma suddhaye, for the only purpose of atma suddhi iti. So imam द्विप्रकारं धर्मं निःश्रेयस प्रयोजनं परमार्थतत्त्वञ्च वासुदेवाख्यं परं ब्रह्म अभिधेयभूतं विशेषतः अभिव्यञ्जयत् विशिष्टप्रयोजनसम्बन्धाभिधेयवत् गीताशास्त्रम् ಯತತ್ತವರ್ಧೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾತೆ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಇತ್ಯತಃ ತದ್ವಿವರಣೆ ಯತ್ನಃ ಕ್ರಿಯತೆ ಮಯಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೀತಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಂ ದ್ವಿಪ್ರಕಾರಂ ಧರ್ಮಂ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಲಕ್ಷಣ ಧರ್ಮಂ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಲಕ್ಷಣ ಧರ್ಮಂ ನಿಶ್ರೇಯಸ ಪ್ರಯೋಜಕನಂ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಶ್ರೇಯಸ, ಫೈನಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮೋಕ್ಷ. ಪ್ರಯೋಜನಕಂ ಪರಮಾರ್ಥತತ್ವಂಚ ವಾಸುದೇವಾಖ್ಯಂ ವಸುದೇವ ಸರ್ವವಸು ನಿವಾಸಿ ವಾಸುದೇವಾಖ್ಯಂ ಪರಂಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಭಿಧೇಯಭೂತಂ ವಿಶೇಷತಃ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಂಜಯತ್ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಸಂಬಂಧನಾಭಿಧೇಯವತ್ ಗೀತಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಂ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೀತಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ there are multiple anubandha chatushthayam. So what is the prayojanam is nisreyasam is the prayojanam. So getting the ultimate moksha is the prayojanam. So parabrahma is the abhideyam. What is the vishaya? So what is the thing being established in this? Parabrahma is the abhideyam, is the vishayam. Nisreyasa rupa phala nishtadvayam. So doing pravrutti lakshana nishtha, nivrutti lakshana nishtha dvayam. So both nishtha dvayam dwara sadhya sadhana is the sambandham. So how the person who is studying this shastra reaches that vishayam is by performing the dharma as prescribed within this shastra. So yataha iti. So mumukshatvam, so which will get by studying this shastra, a person also gets interest in getting the mumukshatvam or the moksha. So one gets attracted towards the moksha by this shastra. So these are the four anubandhas, anubandha chatushtayam. So one who is interested in the moksha is the adhikari, brahmajnana is the vishayam. It is established using the dharma pratipadana. Two types of dharma are been established. One must perform the duties. So this is the preamble or the opening few lines written by Shankara Bhagavatpada in the starting of his bhashya. So rest of the bhashya need to be studied by the people. So my expectation, the way why I am giving this is to create interest in studying this Nisreyasakarha Gita Shastram. So again we will just bow down to the Lord with this same sloka. Om ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪರೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಾದ್ ಅಂಡಮವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಸಂಭವಂ ಅಂಡಸ್ಯಾಂತಸ್ತ್ವಿಮೇ ಲೋಕಾಃ ಸಪ್ತದ್ವೀಪಾ ಚ ಮೇದಿನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅವ್ಯಕ್ತಾತ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪರಃ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ಯಕ್ತಾತ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೂಲ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ is the supreme lord, ನಾರಾಯಣುಡು ಪರಃ ಅತೀತುಡು, his andam, the brahmandam, avyakta sambhavam is taken its origin in avyakta. Andasyantas tvime lokaha. In that anda are all these loka. Saptadvipa cha medini. This earth of 7 continents, Saptadvipa cha medini, is in this anda. So we bow down to that Lord who has given this wonderful Gita Shastra of 700 slokas, which has been documented by Bhagavan Vedavyasa, sage Vedavyasa, whose birthday is celebrated as Guru Purnima in the Ashada Masa. So studying that, which will give the 2 types of dharmas. One is the differentiating, going forward, pravrutti lakshana dharma, which will take you to whatever source, whatever to the target where people are according to their desires, their divisions as of now, varnas and ashramas. People will move forward. At some point in time, the people who want to go back to the source, there is the nivrutti lakshana dharma is been prescribed. How to do it? So the karma yoga, it starts with karma, giving up the results at the lotus feet of the Lord. then it goes to Raja Yoga or Bhakti Yoga, finally into Jnana Yoga, reaching it to the final goal of Nisreyasam of Moksha. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thanks for listening.